new here, welcome. If you've always been around, thank you so much. My name is Iryn, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my empty apartment tour. If you want to know what if you want to be a part of the furnishing process as well, please make sure you subscribe. I'll be updating you guys over here. I'll post a furnished apartment tour as well, so you want to make sure you subscribe and join the family. And yeah, so it's the first time I see this apartment myself. When I was touring, they showed me a model apartment, so I wasn't able to see the apartment itself, and today is the first time I've actually seen the apartment. I love it. It's the first time I see a loft style apartment, so yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. I'm excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey. Yeah, let's get in. Let me not waste so much time. Let me bring you guys with me. To the left of the entrance is gonna be this door. Let's get in here and see. So this is the bathroom, pretty decent size. I love it. That's me. Hello. So this is the bathroom. The size is great. The lighting in the bathroom is great. I love it. The storage space. Let's see. I think this is okay. I've seen those bathroom organizers on Amazon. I think I'll buy some of those. I'll show you guys everything I'll do in here. But anyways, yeah, this is the bathroom. Pretty good size. It's a bathtub and a shower. You guys know I love to soak. So let's close that door. And in the bathroom is another door that heads to the walk-in closet. The walk-in closet is a pretty good size. The lighting is great. I love it. The size is good. So now the walk-in closet has this rug in there. I don't really like apartments with rugs, but it's not so much rug in here, so I think you can deal with it. Yeah, that's the walk-in closet space. It looks small here, but it's not small. I promise you it's big and it's enough. I think I'll put my clothes here, like jeans, or well, I don't have so many jeans. So to the left of the walk-in closet is gonna be this other door. Let's see where the door takes us to. Now the door here takes us to the bedroom. The bedroom as well has this rug. Let's close this door. Guys, look at the lighting. If there is one thing I love about this place, it's the light. Watch me under the light. So keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. This kitchen island, I love it. It's three things I liked about this place. The first is gonna be the parking. I'll show you guys real quick. If you live in the Boston area, then you know there is always gonna be snow in the winter, so I don't have to worry about that. About this place is this kitchen island. I think I'm gonna put some wines in there, make it like a bar, put some bar stools, and I put some drinks in there. I'm excited for that. Let's see. So in here is some space as well. So I think I'll put some drinks in here, drinks down there. I don't know, leave me ideas in the comment section below. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be updating you once in a while on the stories. So this is the kitchen. It's white cabinets, stainless steel, everything. This is the refrigerator. It's a pretty big size. I love it. This is big and good. Okay, this is good. Then down here we have the dishwasher. I love the appliances in here. Stainless steel, everything. Let's see. Well, the storage space here seems to be great. That's one thing I love. Yeah, up here I think I'll put, oh yeah, that's good space. I think here I'll put some flowers or some books. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know. And then this is of course the cooker, the microwave. Then that's the main entrance, and then turning around is the living room space, living room slash dining. So the living room slash dining is right there. It's all wooden floor. The dining here. And then I'll have a sectional couch over here. Mind you, this place doesn't open. That's just, it's a door that doesn't have to open. Then I'll put that screen over here on the wall. I love the lighting that comes in here. This is a very big window. And then it's a high-rise, I think I'll put the screen on the wall there, and then my TV stand is gonna be here, some small cute decor, a rug here, a section over there, some art on the wall. I don't know, I'm not so good with home decor, but I think I'm gonna be on Pinterest. So this is how this part looks like. Let's head to the other part of the apartment. Washer and dryer in unit. I love this. My previous place didn't have a washer and dryer in unit. We had to share with everybody else in the apartment complex, and it just wasn't so great. But
you watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight.
That's the dryer.
'Cause I can do this all night.
And then that's the wash.
You can call it what you want.
I'm gonna try to push
something
this
else
more, because you see how there's space over here. I'm gonna try to push.
Oh, if it's you,
I'm gonna have,
I've been waiting for. I better make it worth
over
my
there.
time.
They'll push the wash and dryer towards the
So
wall.
don't you pay
Then we shall have enough space here to do laundry. Yeah. So let's start. Let's close that door. So to the left, to the right of the entrance is gonna be these stairs going up. I think I'll put some pictures on the wall here.
Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now.
So this is the loft area. This is a pretty big space, by the way. I'm very surprised. The space up here is big. Let me show you guys. That's the, so from up here, that's the view going down, and then this is the view for downstairs, like the lower part of the apartment.
We don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors.
On the rails is these are, it's wood painted white. Yes, so let's go down. I think I've showed you guys everything. To the left of the stairs is the door out. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you want to watch a furnished apartment tour, make sure you subscribe. I'll be posting that as soon as the furnishing is all done. Other than that, that's the apartment.